Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel, I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update on the $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this, this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So the objective is to try to get 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. It's not 201 consecutive trades, and we do take into account losses. So for further details about information about how to join us in the challenge and also about exclusive in-depth strategy, information is available in the description below. In the previous video, we did an important update on ticker symbol MULN, Mullen Automotive. So please refer back to the previous video for an important update on that stock. In today's video, we're going to be doing updates on the top 13 potential squeeze stocks identified on Vinco. We're also going to be doing an important update on ticker symbol BBIG and also ticker symbol MMAT. We're also going to be looking at the potential impact on the market of monkeypox, having a look at that, and which stocks could benefit. So before we do that, let's start by having a look at a quick background in terms of what this new potential fear in the market and in the world is in terms of monkeypox. And the headline here from CNBC is stating that it's spreading around the world. What is the disease and how dangerous is it? So obviously from a health point of view, it's important to be aware of what this is, and also from a trading point of view, it's important to be aware of which stocks could be harmed or which stocks could benefit. So first of all, health authorities in Europe, US and Australia are now investigating this outbreak, which is normally a rare disease normally found in Africa. So Germany has reported its first cases on Friday. So there's also outbreaks in the UK, Spain, Portugal, France, Italy and Sweden. And in the UK alone, cases have doubled, but obviously the numbers are still small. We're looking at around about 20. However, there may be more that are going to be undetected. So before we look at the top 13 potential squeeze stocks, I'm going to share with you here the anticipated earnings for the week beginning May the 23rd, 2022. So if we have a look at the screen here, I think the notable ones that we're going to be looking at, especially in the Discord, are going to be earnings for Xpeng, which will be before market open. We also have after close on the Monday, earnings from Zoom, which certainly could be interesting, but Zoom has been falling quite significantly. I think other earnings to note include Dick's Sporting Goods on Wednesday before market open. We have Nvidia, again a very important one to keep an eye out, after close reporting on Wednesday. And I think Costco as a long-term mega cap stock is also certainly an interesting one to give us a guide of how they do, and that will be after close on Thursday. Let's now have a look at the top 13 potential squeeze stocks identified on Fintel, so with regard to the latest information. So number one, we have a stock there called BBAI, also known as Big Bear Holdings Incorporated. That has a short squeeze score of 97.44, but I think what's particularly interesting about BBAI is the borrow fee. So the borrow fee is huge, it's quite staggering. We're looking at 728.52. So in terms of the short float, that's 18.41%. And number two, again, this was covered in the previous video, so please refer back to the previous video for Metamaterials. This is, again, it's up 5 places and certainly showing a lot more positive momentum in terms of the chart. So this is rated at 97.36. This is also obviously in terms of the short float, that's recorded as 18.12. So very, very interesting with regard to Metamaterials. Another stock that has been featured on a number of occasions on the channel, number 3 is Vtnr, Vertex Energy. This is a stock that has been defying current market conditions and has been going up quite significantly. I think it's up in excess of 700% over the previous 12 months. And again, if you look at the short borrow fee for that, that's 38.66%. So it's quite high, but Metamaterials is much, much higher, 163.4%, so much more expensive for them to short that. And right at the bottom, another one that I think is going to be of interest to many of the people on the channel is, at number 13, is BBIG Vinco Ventures. So again, just has a short squeeze score of 95. The borrow fee is quite high, 78.62. So in terms of the data here, there is still certainly potential for a squeeze in BBIG. There's a lot of unpredictability in this stock in terms of the key dates. Aware that a number of people are confused about this, the key dates. However, if you haven't already invested in BBIG, you certainly will not be qualifying for Tide by buying this now. You in terms of qualifying for Tide, you need to still be holding this through May 27th, which basically means you need to hold it after the close of trading on May the 27th, and then you'll be able to sell on the 31st of May, which I believe is the first trading day after that. So keep an eye out for BBIG. I have released a video with more in-depth details about the key dates, so please refer back to that for BBIG. The next thing I'm going to share with you here is just a recent article from May the 21st, 2022, and this is regarding BBIG, and it's a positive headline, and it's an increase in a significant increase from an institutional investor in the stock. So we can see the headline here: May the 21st, 2022, Victory Capital Management Incorporated raises holdings in Vinco Ventures Incorporated. So they've increased their holdings by 41.1% in the fourth quarter. And they have declared this to the SEC after buying an additional 5,464 shares. So again, positive news. Whenever an institutional investor increases their investment in a particular stock, this is generally a good sign. Institutional investors have more expert analysts and be able to research companies, so they may have more in-depth knowledge in terms of what may be happening going forward. So it is a good sign, and fingers crossed we'd get some positive momentum in BBIG. Finally, I'm going to share with you a snippet of our weekly watch list, which is made available exclusively to the Discord members today, and you can receive a copy of this by joining the Discord for as little as $9 a month. Details are available in the description below. So you'll be able to see here we have identified 4 stocks that could benefit from the monkeypox worries, and these stocks close of play on the Friday did exceptionally well. So we also have identified other stocks that could go up. One of them is potentially looking like a bull flag on the chart with potential to shoot up quite significantly. We also have a stock which has had good positive information from a drug trial. Certainly another one with high risk, high reward. And there's also a mega cap stock which is now down in excess of 25% over the previous 6 months and could be due for a reversal. So again, details are in the description below. After joining on the Discord, you'll also be able to get access to the challenge. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.